What up, Doc? In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to create your befores and afters for Instagram, for Facebook, and we can't forget Google. Just make sure that every time you're making photos, if you're posting them on Instagram or Facebook, you also need to be posting them on Google because it helps with SEO. So let's go ahead and get started into Canva, which is the platform I use. What you have to do is go to the right here, go to create design. You can do just these are the recent designs that I have. Now keep in mind, Instagram wants 1080 by 1080 for your slides. So I'm assuming that's what you're watching this video for, is to learn how to make slides for befores and afters. So that's going to be 1080 by 1080. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on that. And by the way, it's megapixels, not inches. Okay, so here's my canvas. Okay, if this is just a blank, if you want to create another one, all you got to do is add them down here just like that. Okay, but we're going to stick with this first one. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is create kind of like a template so that you can dump the photos into that you export from Lightroom Classic. Okay, so you want to go to the elements here on the corner on the left hand side and type in grid. Okay, now this is going to give you grids. All right, and you want to go to see all. And this is basically just all the different types of grids that you can make. This is, not specific to dentistry or anything like that, but it's just gives you some ideas. All right, I usually don't use any of them except for this first one. So you want to click on that, and as you can see, it covers the whole canvas. And what you can do is just grab it, and then what's going to happen? It's going to snap to exactly the center, just like that. Okay, and then you just copy, then you paste it. That's Command C if you don't know. And then on a Windows computer, I believe it's Windows C. I'm not sure. All right, so there it is, and that's a before and after. So all you gotta do is dump your photos into this canvas here, okay? Now, you can add your name, you can put, whoever, Dr. Simpson, Dr. Pierce, whatever, and you can take it and you can move it all around by grabbing this arrow here. You can put it down at the bottom, so if you want to make a signature, you can put it down there just like you might have seen on Instagram. By the way, I'll be making a video on how to do that, so stand by for that. And if you already made this and you're like, man, I just want to duplicate it, so all you have to do is just hit duplicate right there, and there it is. So you want to do like your frontals before and after, sides before and after. All right, and so what if you want to make a portrait? So if you want to do a portrait, it's basically the same thing. You're just gonna resize. Let me do this. Resize the image to a portrait size template. So it's gonna snap right there, just like that. And you're gonna copy and paste, or copy and paste right there. Oh, did that wrong. All right, so right there. Then you want to copy, paste it, and this is the portrait. And if you want to put teeth in there, like befores and afters down here at the bottom, then what you're gonna do is get another one. As you can see, all the lines on the box, it's kind of hard to see, but you have to imagine that these pictures are in layers. Okay, so just imagine that. Okay, I can't see it right here, so it's probably behind these two frames right here. So what I got to do is I got to grab the top here, bring this down, and I'm just basically making a before and after like we did on the first top part here, but I'm making them smaller. Okay, so now those are made, you can see that I can't see the frame. So what you have to do is just change the position. You want to move this frame in the back, just like that, and it pops to the front. All right, and if you want to do the same over here, you do that just like that. All right, and I think it's going to be, yep, that's good. So there you go. That's what it's going to look like. Okay, so if we got before and after, I think I got one in here. I can do one of, well, actually, one more thing. If you want to change the background color, say maybe you just have you want to change the color because you just want to be different, make it black or whatever, then what you would have to do is before you throw the photo in there, you want to change the background here to a different color. So if you want to do black, you can do black, but you always got to make sure that you put the frame back to where it was. Okay, so do that. And now let's go back to these uploads, and let's say, where's that picture of Joe Burrow? I want to put Joe in here, just like that, and then you can put the teeth. Where are the teeth? These aren't his teeth. I'm just using this as an example, just like that. And then if you want to remove the background, you just got to click on the photo that you want to remove the background on, and then you just go to remove background over here. That's in effects, if you don't know where that is. and you just remove it like that. Okay, so if you want to go back, if you want to undo a move that you made on Canva, then you just hit Command Z, and that takes you back to the original. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Oh, one thing, you always want to keep these colors, the signature that you have, or whatever your slogan is, keep it very minimal, because if you make it too big, it'll take away from the teeth. So just keep that in mind. Now, if you don't want to do all this, then I have this template down in my dental photography course. I think I'm going to call it Dental Photography Secrets. I don't know yet, but there'll be a link down in the description below. Make sure you comment on this video. If you have any questions about it or a better way, then let me know. Let everybody else know on this video, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.